We here at H.U. Dove and Company take privacy very seriously. We've invested in a cloud provider called Citrix SafeFile, which provides bank-level security, offering 256-bit encryption, approved by the Federal Information Process Standards, and is compliant with HIPAA, HITECH, FINRA, and more. At times, we'll request that you send us supporting documents for us to submit to underwriters. Here's the step-by-step process to get those files to us. First, open your inbox to see the email sent from one of our staff members. Click on the link provided. The ShareFile website will open showing our logo. Enter your email address, and then first and last name. From here, you can simply drag files from your computer right into the website. Once you've dragged all the files you need, click Upload. And once uploaded, you're done. We'll then receive an email that you've uploaded your documents, allowing us to retrieve them securely. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thanks for your business.